Morning guys, today is tubeless ready. I'm going to change my tyres to tubeless because my punchy put me off. So the tyres are ready, the wheels are ready, so all I needed was this. So first let's have a look, see what's in the box. Right, so let's have a see what we get. One pack of sealant, 2 pack of sealant, tape, and the valves. One sticker. Right guys, I've never done this before, so this is going to be like a first impression of how to do it. So it'd be quite good if I make mistakes. Come on Tommy, nosy bugger. It'd be quite good for if I make mistakes, and hopefully you don't make them. So here goes. Right guys, first things first, fitting the valve. Hopefully you can see. The tape, closer. Obviously, don't do these too tight. Might break the seal. I'm tight. So hopefully that should be that. Back in a minute, I'm just going to get the tyre ready. Right, I've more or less got my seat, my tyre in. Just need this little bit here, which hopefully these plastic things will come in handy. Not damaging my wheel like the metal ones did. I'm still upset about. They're quite stiff, the wheels. Nearly got it on now. Right, that's the wheel on. Now I've just got to try and get it seated. Obviously there'll be 2 holes in this tyre somewhere where I punched it last time, so I'm going to have to be careful with that. So there's no sealant in it yet. I'll be back in a minute. Right guys, hopefully I've got the wheel mounted right and I've got the right seal. I went for the square seal. Seemed to fit on my tyre better, but obviously there's different ones you can try. I've got the car out, so I'm going to try and put the sealant in now and hope for the best. So I'll just check to see how much I need to put in, and then I'll get back to you. Right, so the instructions are there. Road bike, 30 to 40 millilitres. Obviously there's a guide there, so we'll just follow that. First, get it on. It's going all over me already. So set it on there, and obviously tip. Same as it was in the wheel. And then we want about that much gone. I'll say it's about half a pack. About half a pack. Back around. Turn that way. Oh, getting it everywhere. Like I said, first time I've ever done it. Put it back on. Get the car back in. Hope you can see that. You get a little car mover there. Tighten it up. Now, just turn the wheel around, let the sealant go around the wheel, hopefully. Now, drive, hope we don't want it on there. Right, give that a couple of minutes to set and then I'll try and pump it up. Right, let's go and try and pump it up. I'll do it quite fast. That's 95 psi in. Let the sealant go around. There's some spots. Yeah, the puncher the other day, filling up. Hopefully that's it. I'll give it a bit and see if it stays up. See you in a bit. Guys, that's the wheel back on. Staying up quite well. That's the back wheel tubeless. It's got to do the front one now. A couple of problems and that, but it's probably because they had already had holes in the tyre. It's probably best if you're starting off with new tyres. But it's managed to stay up. Can't see any leaks at the minute, so I'll just keep it up and see how it goes. Just turn the power on now, see if that works. Yep. Power on. Right guys, any questions just ask, subscribe if you want. Thanks.